Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to ServiceNow Tips. Today's quick tip is about reference autocomplete. You know that little drop down that shows when you click on a reference field and start typing, like this? Uh, this is the reference autocomplete. It brings suggestions so you can pick the right record. By default, that drop down usually shows only the display value that of the reference table. In this example, the change request reference. That would be typically the change number. But the cool part is you can make that drop down show extra columns like type, state, and more. And that's exactly what we are going to do now. So I'm going to duplicate this step so I can have this reference. And okay, so first we are going to click on the item with the right button and select configure dictionary. Here in the dictionary I'm going to add a few attributes. So we click on new, and the first attribute is this reference autocompleter. And for the value, we are going to select Ajax table completer. And then we can submit. Then we are going to add another attribute that is reference autocompleter columns. And here on the value, we are going to select the columns that we want to show separated by semicolons. Okay, so we have on change request. I want to show type and state, so we're going to select here type and state. We need to separate the columns that we want by semicolons, with semicolons, and keep in mind that the columns are going to appear in the same order that we list them here. So select, you need to write on the order that you want to appear. So I'm going to submit, and then I'm going to refresh my incident. And now when I type change, we're showing the number, that is the display value, we're showing the type, and we are showing the state. But we can go further. We can also enable searching by those extra columns. So if we want to search by the type, for example, we can enable this too. So I'm going back to my dictionary, and I'm going to add another attribute. That is going to be reference autocompleter column search. And for the value, I'm going to type true and submit. So if I refresh my item, okay, I can search by using the change, but now I can search by emergency, for example, and then it's going to show only the emergency records that we have here. Okay, if I type normal, it is going to search only the normal records. But we can go even further and change the ordering of these results. So I'm going back to my dictionary and create a new attribute. There is reference autocompleter order by, and then I select the field that I want to order by. So I'm going to type and submit. Before, our change was going to be ordained by the number, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I refresh, it is ordaining by the type, so it can show all the emergency ones than the normal ones. And that's how we can change the reference autocomplete attributes. And a bonus, this works on Workspace too. So if I open my incident here, this change apply here. I'm going to my change request item, and now if I type change, look there, it's showing on the order first the emergency ones and then the normal ones, and it's showing all the fields that we want, like the display value, the type, and the state, and we can search by the type or the state too. So these modifications apply to the Workspace too. And that's it for today. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who works with ServiceNow, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.